Bonanza 934 Tango is cleared to Tallahassee via radar vectors upon entering controlled airspace heading 090. Climb maintain 3000, departure 135.8, squawk 5525. With the direct Bonanza 934 Tango taking off 32, will be a southbound departure line. Tallahassee Approach, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango off Quincy through 1000 and then turning to a heading to 090.
Bonanza 934 Tango, Tallahassee departure right in.
Then 34 Tango.
934 Tango, radar contact, Austin Case 1300, Tallahassee altimeter 3000, climb and maintain 3000.
Up to 3000, 34 Tango.
Convoy 36 to 63, contact tower 118.7, have a great day.
HSA, help him going 98, on board 36, 63, see ya.
Number 2796, the first aircraft is on a 4-mile final. I'll let you know what the bases are when I get them.
Overcast at 300.
Number 934 Tango, flight heading 180, vector ILS, runway 36 approach.
180, 34 Tango.
Observation 1631 Zulu. Wind 020 at 5 knots. Visibility 1 and 1/2.
Special observation 1040 at 5. Visibility 4 miles. Light rain, mist. Ceiling 300. Overcast. Temperature 12. Dew point 11. Altimeter 3000. ILS approaches to running 36 and 27 in use.
Station 279 or 6, 13 miles from the final approach, 6 flight 300, maintain 3000, full south from localizer, cleared ILS 27 approach.
300, 3000, close to ILS 27 approach. 2096.
Tallahassee Airport information, Mike, time 1616 Zulu, special observation 1040 at 5. Visibility 4 miles.
27906, the first aircraft that landed reported base is right at 300.
Okay, 27966.
27960, you can contact the tower now, 118.7. Have a great day.
827, thanks for the help. You'll do 27966.
Nine three four Tango, verify information, Mike.
Affirmative, 34 Tango.
34 Tango, roger.
All right, briefing the approach. We are flying the ILS runway 36 approach, and Tallahassee local live frequency is 110.3. Approach course is 004. Touchdown elevation is 62 feet. Final approach fixes Bupya. Crossing Bupya at 1,600 feet, we can then descend to the minimums of 262 feet, if my audio panel works. And missed approach is on to 4,000 direct. Seminole Vortac and hold. Although missed approach instructions we're going to get are probably going to be fly runway heading and maintain 3,000 from personal experience. That's what I've learned they give you. Ceiling is being reported in Tallahassee today as 300 feet. Minimums on this approach are 262. The airport elevation, of course, is 83. Touchdown zone is 62. Remember that the minimums are always AGL, they're not MSL. So in this case, if the ceiling is 300 feet, you know, on your altimeter it'll indicate in this case when we're crossing the threshold about 362, which is about 100 feet above minimums on the approach of 262. So there you have it.
For 934 Tango, are you above the clouds right now?
Yeah, affirmative. I would say tops are about 2,500 feet.
934 Tango, thank you. Number 34 Tango, what other aircraft do you usually fly?
I fly a bunch of planes, G36 Bonanza, fly the skydive planes, and a couple of Cirruses as well. I've got a full plate.
Thank you. Your voice sounds familiar. I'm trying to figure out which other aircraft you're usually flying.
Yeah, I'm the skydive pilot out of Quincy.
Thank you.
So that right there, folks, is one of the best controllers in the business at Tallahassee Approach.
Cat 103, fly heading 170, just going to maintain 4,000, vector ILS 36.
That's Sarah, and
170 and 4,000.
I think she's one of the best controllers they've got going over there. Tony, of course, is great as well, but he's now retired from the Tallahassee Approach facility, and as a matter of fact, is a pilot out at the Quincy Airport.
Number 934 Tango, turn left heading 090, just going to maintain 2,000.
Left 090, descend, maintain 2,000, 34 Tango.
And 34 Tango, if you could just pass on the top report once you go into them.
Broke up. All right, down to 2,000 feet we go. So on this approach, we are flying by the numbers of the Bonanza. To go down, we take some power out. We don't readjust our trim because doing that can really get you disoriented in the clouds. Lead to spatial disorientation, loss of aircraft control. So it's all about power when we fly these approaches.
For 934 Tango, 4.5 miles front, final approach, fixed fly heading 030, maintain 2,000 until established and localizer, cleared ILS 36 approach.
030, maintain 2,000 until established, cleared for the ILS runway 36 approach, 34 Tango. Alright, so Bumpy is 2.5 miles away. We're going to slow the aircraft down now to gear extension speed, which is 140 miles an hour in this debonair. And at glide slope intercept, we're going to drop the gear. Got about 16 inches in, 15, 16 inches. It's right where we want it. Approach 34 Tango, tops are right at 2,000 feet.
34 Tango, thank you. If you could pass the base report along to the tower when you get there. Contact the tower now, 118.7. Have a great day.
Contact tower, use 134 Tango. Bonanza 934 Tango on the ILS, runway 36.
November 9 and 34 Tango, Tallahassee Tower, runway 36, cleared to land, wind 360 at 4.
Runway 36, clear to land, 34 Tango. Alright, so we've got our power set at 15 inches. We're descending now. We've got the airplane trimmed to fly at 105 knots, and that's right where we want it. We're on the money. So this airplane is perfectly configured as we work our way down the glide slope on the ILS here at Tallahassee. Gas undercarriage mixture and prop gumps check is complete. Going down to 262. $680 for 262. $460 for 262. $380 for 262. Runway environments in sight.
November 34 Tango, you going to Millionaire?
Affirmative.
November 34 Tango, Maple Star right next taxiway, taxi Millionaire via Alpha 9 or Alpha 11, on ground point 9.
Alpha 9 or Alpha 11 Millionaire, and we'll monitor ground.